Hi everyone, welcome back to Syed Imran Tech. Are you feeling tired all the time? Is your energy low? The problem isn't your work, it's what you eat. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix your diet in 3 simple steps. Stay tuned until the end for a special bonus tip. Let's get started. Step number 1. Hydration. Most people drink water only when they are thirsty. That's a mistake. You need at least 3 liters a day. Water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin glowing. Start your morning with 2 big glasses before anything else. Step number 2. The 50-25-25 rule. Fill 50% of your plate with vegetables. 25% should be protein like eggs or lentils, and the remaining 25% can be rice or bread. This balance gives vitamins, minerals, and energy without weight gain. Step number 3. Smart snacking. At 4 p.m., skip oily snacks or biscuits. Choose nuts, seeds, or a fruit. These superfoods give steady energy instead of a sugar crash. And that's a wrap. 3 simple habits. Hydrate daily, build plates with the 50-25-25 rule, and snack smart. Small, consistent changes compound over time. Your healthier life starts today. Which habit will you start tomorrow? Tell me in the comments. I've posted a poll on our community tab. Go vote. Don't forget to subscribe to Syed Imran Tech for more health and tech tips. See you in the next video.